In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam email address without old email. If you can't get into your old inbox anymore, don't worry. Steam has a built-in process to help you update your contact email safely. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few tips to make the process smoother. From the Steam desktop app, look to the very top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. This is your control center for security and account preferences. And it's where you'll make changes to your contact details. In the Settings window, select the Account tab. This tab holds your core account information, including the contact email Steam uses for important security notifications and confirmations. Next, click Change Contact Email. This starts the update process. Steam will prompt you with a few options, and since you don't have access to your old inbox, choose the option that says you no longer have access to this email address. Selecting this tells Steam you need an alternate way to prove you are the rightful account owner. If you have a phone number linked to your Steam account, Steam will send a verification code to your mobile device. Enter that code in the prompt exactly as it appears. Codes are time-sensitive, so if one expires or doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and request a new one rather than entering multiple guesses. Verifying via your phone is the fastest path. Once confirmed, Steam will guide you through updating your contact email and completing the change securely. If you don't have a linked phone number and you can't access your old email, click the support link, shown in that same window, to contact Steam support. There, submit a ticket and be ready to provide proof of ownership for your account. Follow the instructions in the form carefully and include the details Steam requests to confirm it's really you. The more precise and consistent you are with the information you provide, the quicker support can review your case. After submitting, keep an eye on your Steam support messages and your new preferred inbox so you don't miss any follow-ups. That's the entire process.